And now, ladies and gentlemen, introducing your 2017 All-American Quarter Horse Congress Champion in Level 1 Amateur Select Trail, entry number 7279, Gota Lota Rain, ridden on by Jeff Morgenstern from Morrow, Ohio. Your Congress Champion will receive the Congress Winner's Jacket from Schneider's, the beautiful Congress Bronze Trophy from the Ohio Quarter Horse Association, a hay bag from Tribute Equine Nutrition, a 1-year free subscription to the Equine Chronicle, the new image value pack from Select the Best, and a check for $200. Once again, congratulations to your Congress Champion, Level 1 Amateur Select Trail, Jeff Morgenstern and Gota Lota Rain, number 7279.